let's talk about cleaning up some Minwax wood finish penetrating stain. I got some red oak dark stain on my old crepity door here, and I'm happy with the outcome. And I just pulled off the tape, and as you can see, kind of a messy person, so even though I taped, there's some areas where it went past the tape. And so luckily, if you catch it before it dries on, this might actually be true for quite a while on glass, I'm not sure, but it wipes right off pretty nice and easy with some mineral spirits, which is what it says on the container to use. So that's what I'm using. I did splash some on the floor as well, so I just want to remind you that messes happen, but it's a good idea to kind of read up on how to clean up whatever product you're getting ready to use, especially if you're new to it, so that you can have that handy, because almost always cleanup is easier sooner than later. So here's some, oh, I thought that was on that side, but it's not, it's still on, I thought it was on this side, it's on that side. Anyway, what I don't know is how well these windows are going to clean up after the mineral spirits, so perhaps I will pause you, come back, and we shall see, huh? I'm Angel, by the way. Check out the description for ways you can connect with me and support me, and keep in mind you are worthy of your own unconditional love. It doesn't hurt to hire a professional, but you can probably do it yourself. Hold on. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and say that with quick cleanup with the mineral spirits, and then coming back with the Windex, it does feel like the film that the mineral spirits wants to leave might dry on there, so I think it's better to get sooner than later, but the Windex does take that right off of there. I'm actually going to hit up parts of this poor old door with the rest of my rag once I get through the window cleaning part, and then do one last touch up and call it a door nicely refurbished. I see that I totally missed the inside line there, so maybe I'll try to hit that as well. Anyway, wishing you love, laughter, doing it yourselfness, hiring the experts, and everything else good in between. Ciao for now.